Hello guys, I'm Paris, the option guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets were volatile, but they closed in the green. Both Bank Nifty as well, not Nifty, but yeah, definitely Bank Nifty closed in the green this month. So over here, it looks like Nifty is a little bit weak, but Bank Nifty not so much weak because Bank Nifty has kind of tried to continue its upside momentum, right? So what can we expect over here? Is very simple. First of all, if you see in the daily charts, right, I'll just go ahead and switch to the daily charts, and if you guys can see, markets were a little bit volatile and we saw a little bit of selling pressure on these 3 days, right? And on Friday again markets closed very bullish, right? So over here it looks like once Bank Nifty crosses these highs of 44,100 to 120, then we can see an upside momentum easily till 43, yeah, 44,100 to 120. Then we can see another 3 to 400 points easy momentum till 44,500 at least, right? Talking about Nifty over there in the daily charts, Nifty isn't looking so good over here. I mean, sure, definitely Nifty has also closed in a bullish manner on Friday, but there are multiple resistances on the upside. So over here, if again Nifty also has to move, then it has to move very fast so that it can catch up with Bank Nifty, right? So again, as I said on in my few previous videos also, that if the markets have to go up, there will be two things, right? Either the market will go up, that means Bank Nifty will take Nifty up, or Nifty will take Bank Nifty down, right? Those are the two scenarios that could happen. So we will need to see. So from here, either Bank Nifty will come down and give up all its gains, or Bank Nifty will take Nifty up very fast and Nifty will move up very fast and make way bigger candles than Bank Nifty, right? Because Nifty is nowhere near close to its all-time high. The Nifty's all-time high is somewhere near 18,900, whereas Bank Nifty is barely, I mean, close to just 150 points away from its all-time high, right? 150 to 200 points, which is very close, right? So definitely, if Bank Nifty moves up from here, we can see a very good momentum in Nifty till the all-time high. Again, in the daily charts, if you see, Nifty is still not looking a little, Nifty is still looking a little bearish. But yeah, in the 15-minute chart, we are going to see where you guys can go ahead and trade, right? If you see, right, Nifty definitely has been seeing a very good buying from the bottom, right? And if you see on Friday also, Nifty made kind of a double bottom pattern, not exactly a very good double bottom. I mean, it is a good double bottom, but not a very conventional double bottom. But yeah, from here, Nifty has also broken out. So over here, what we will do is, first of all, we'll wait for 18,250 to be broken, right? Because if we take a trade over here, right, we will really not get a lot of space over here. As I say, right, that you need to have a clean space for a clean move, right? Because if there are multiple resistances in a very close area, right, then we could see a very choppy move, right? So over here we will not trade until 18,250 is broken. Once 18,250 is broken, then we can expect a easy 50 points momentum till 18,310 to 320, right? Because from there Nifty will easily go up till this range. Maybe Nifty might wait in this range or take resistance, right? There could be two scenarios. If Nifty waits in this range, right, if Nifty spends some time over here, then we can see another momentum on the upside, right? But over here we will not trade until 18,250 is broken, because there is really not much space if we go ahead and trade above 18,220, right? So there's like 30 point space, and it really is not worth it to trade over here. On the downside, 18,120 is very important. If we go below 18,120, then we can see another move till 18,000 very easily, because then again a lot of people who would have made bullish positions over here, they will get trapped, because we will maybe open with a gap down and start moving down, right? Again, if you open flat and start moving down, then do not go ahead and trade, just instantly take a trade, right? Wait for some sort of a price action near 18,120. If we see some bearish price action, lower lows being made and lower highs being made, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade till 18,000. Do not jump if we open flat and move down. If we open with a gap down and start moving down, then you guys can go ahead and instantly take a trade. But if you open flat and start moving down, do not go very fast and take a trade over here, right? Again, if we open with a gap up and stay somewhere near 18,320 to 300, all these levels, maybe 18,280, let Nifty wait some time over here, right? Maybe an hour or two, and if we break out again above the day's high, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Until then, do not take a trade, right? In Bank Nifty, if you see, right, Bank Nifty has shown a very good rally, a very good recovery over here, right? Definitely Bank Nifty moved down and then kind of consolidated over here. I was expecting that on the downside we could see a move once we break some sort of a swing, but yeah, that never happened, right? If you see, Bank Nifty kind of respected all the swings and never ever broke a swing, right? So this is a good place for Bank Nifty to move up, and from here we will only trade above 44,060, right? Because this is the place where a lot of people have kept their stop losses. So once we start moving up from here, only then will we see a very good momentum. Easily your first target can be 44,200, and if we do not instantly reverse from these levels, from these higher levels, just hold your position until the trend bends, because from here I am expecting that once we cross these highs, right, we could see 44,500 easily this week, right? On the downside, 44,600 becomes very important because that is from where the buying has started. So tomorrow if you open, say, with a big gap down somewhere near 43,700, 43,650, then do not hesitate to take a bearish position, because what will happen is that anybody who has created bullish positions over here, they will get trapped instantly in the gap down, right? So they would want to exit their position, which could give us a very good momentum easily till 43,400. We could see this 200 point momentum coming very, very fast, right? Something like this. We could see again something like that happening over here. If again we take no support, I think we won't take any sort of a support even at 43,400. So if we do not like instantly reverse from here, you guys can hold your positions for higher targets of even 43,000 in this week itself, because markets have really tried a lot to go up, but yeah, after a point markets will also give up, the bulls will also give up, and the bears will start taking over, and that is when we will see a very good selling, right? Again, if you open it in any sort of a range between 44,050 to 43,000, like 43,700, and just stay over in this range itself, then it's not worth it to take a trade, because this is a range where things will be a little bit volatile. So yeah, just skip that day. We will see what we can do in the coming days, right? If we open with a gap up somewhere near 43,200, right, then what you need to do is very simple. Let the markets make a day high, proper day high. Wait for an hour or two for the markets to kind of consolidate or come down a little bit. Once the markets go and again break that high, you guys can then go ahead and take a trade. Then you can pretty much aim for a target of 44,500 very easily. Maybe the target might not come on Monday itself. You may need a day or two, maybe one more day for the target to get achieved. But yeah, from there we can easily see a very good move till 44,500, because then what will happen is that there is not really much sort of a resistance until 44,500, and 44,500 will also act as a resistance only because it is a round number, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today. This week, if the markets do not sustain themselves on the higher levels and break these lows, right, break the lows of the previous week, say 43,450 in Bank Nifty and 18,060 in Nifty, then we can see a very, very, very good sell-off, because then the trend will start bending, and that is when we will see a very good sell-off in the markets, right? So be ready for that. Again, also go ahead and check my daily analysis video to stay up to date, so that you never have to like just rely on one view. Even if the view changes, you will always get a video every day, so that you can be safe and be sure about what to do in the markets, right? And yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.